Hi, this is MicroStrategy. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the freeform layout in dossier authoring. In the freeform layout, the canvas will be completely open. Objects on the page can be independently positioned, sized, and layered. You can also drag and drop visualizations from the gallery, multi-select objects to group, align, or distribute them on a page, and switch between freeform and auto layout. Let's do an example in MicroStrategy Workstation. I'll be using retail sample data to create this retail sales dossier to compare the revenue by city, item category, month, and supplier. First, I'll convert the page to freeform layout. Go to the top right and click the layout icon. When prompted, select Yes to convert to freeform layout. Next, I'll insert a new visualization to show revenue by month. Make sure the gallery button is selected on the left side so you can see the gallery of visualizations. Click on the line chart, then drag and drop it anywhere on the page. Notice how you can place it anywhere and change its size. I'm going to repeat this process to create visualizations for revenue by city, item category, and supplier. Now, let's say I want to make the line chart transparent and layer other images behind it to create a cool effect. To make the visualization transparent, go to Format, change the drop-down to Title and Container, then change Fill Color to No Fill. For layering, insert the image you want to go behind the line chart, then right-click on the image and select Send to Back. If you want to layer multiple images, you can insert another image into the dossier. Here, I'll add a gradient image so you can still see all of the layers. You can go to the Layers panel and move the image below the visualization you want it to be behind. Now that we have the visualization with images layered behind it, we can apply grouping so all three items will be together if we decide to change the position of it in the dossier. To apply grouping, press and hold the Command key while selecting all of the objects you want to group, then right-click and select Group. Now, if you click on the group and try to move it, all the objects in the group will move together. Another way to group objects is by lasso selecting the items. If we lasso select the area chart and map, they can be moved and repositioned as a group. Note that you are still able to perform actions on an individual item by double-clicking on the object within the group. Since the area chart and map are not related, we will ungroup them. To do this, right-click on the group and select Ungroup. Now that we have all of our visualizations, let's format the page by aligning and distributing the objects on the page. If we want the line chart and ring chart to be on the left, multi-select those items, then right-click and select Align Left. If we want the line chart and bar chart to be toward the top of the page, they can be aligned at the top. I'll align the area chart and map visualizations by dragging them manually. Notice the Smart Snap feature that displays red lines to guide and assist the user in aligning the objects. Now, I'll fast forward through the formatting. Lastly, we'll distribute the visualizations vertically on the page so that they are evenly spaced. To fill in the remainder of the white space, we can expand the size of the visualizations and allow Smart Snap to guide us in the resizing. Here's the final dossier after using the freeform layout to group, layer, align, and distribute the objects. On mobile, grouping containers helps maintain their relative position. This is the before without grouping. Now, after grouping the text for the page header, then the line graph and bar graph, this is what the responsive preview looks like. Everything auto-arranges automatically, but the grouped containers stay in a way that makes sense. Thanks for watching this tutorial on using freeform layout in dossier authoring.